Hey, it's Anissa. Today I have for you this large foldable storage organizer. Two keywords in there, large and foldable. This item turns into this and you can put this together in less than 10 seconds. Now there's so many things to love about it, but I'm gonna tell you a couple of my favorites. First, it's got this removable divider inside. This allows you to keep your items separated and yet organized. Then, I love the top. It flips up and opens, but it does it either way. So there's always a way to access the stuff inside. And then you've got two handles so you can carry this from room to room. And the nice gray color is neutral, so it matches any decor in your house. You're gonna find so many ways to use this. Here are a few of my favorites. I love it for seasonal clothing. It's great for linens. Oh, and don't forget, it makes a great toy chest. Use it in your car. It's great to use in your trunk to keep your things organized, or put your groceries in there so they don't go all over the back of the trunk. Best of all, our deal is phenomenal. You can expect to pay up to $40 for one this size. But our deal is nowhere near that price. Plus, when you buy more, you save more. But here's a tip. You are gonna find so many ways to use these, so stock up while you can. Remember, they fold up flat and they take up no room. So head on over to the site and buy a bunch today.